subscribe for more upcoming videos. Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a new kind of toys. It's paper craft toys. Just by using scissors and glue, I will turn paper into a fancy police car. Let's get started. The first step is to cut out the object I cut out along the solid lines. After cutting, I have these two pieces. Now I will fold all dashed lines next to numbers into mountain folds. Do the same with dashed lines on the body of the car. Repeat the same steps for the other side of the car. Fold the dashed lines on the front part of the car. Fold the dashed lines on top of the car. Fold the dashed lines on the back of the car. Now all the lines have already been folded as needed. Let's go on to next step. Apply the side tape on number areas. Peel off the numbers and stick it to the front car side. As you can see, one side of the car has been formed. Let me repeat the steps on the left side. Do the same with the back part. The main body of Poli is successfully formed, but do you know which part is missing? Yes, it's the signal light. Again, fold the dashed lines here. Use tape to stick two sides of the signal light together. And then stick the light to the blue cap. Place light part to the top of the car and stick them together using tape. Ta-da! Poli Robocar is here, ready to protect citizens of Broomtown.